Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another useful PC tutorial video here, and today I'm going to show you how you can download and install NetBeans 19, that is the latest version of NetBeans. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser, and on browser just type NetBeans download and go to that. Here you can see their official website netbeans.com.apache.org. Just click NetBeans releases, click here, and now it will bring you to this their official website. Here you can see the NetBeans 19 option. This is the latest version and it's released on September 1. That is the latest version. Now to download it, just click download here, and here it will bring you to this downloading page. And here under installation and packages, you can see different types of NetBeans for different operating system. For Windows, just click the first one, Windows 64 exe option, and after clicking it, you will see this page, and here is the downloading link. Just click that link here, and as you can see, the download is automatically started, but I'm gonna cancel it because I already downloaded it, and right click it and go to their folder. And this is the NetBeans 19. Just double click it to install. Yes, as you can see, NetBeans IDE installer is already open. Before starting this installation, I have to tell you that you also have to install the Java for NetBeans to active. The installation process how to install Java is on my channel, so you guys can also check that video if you didn't know how to install Java on your PC. So after installing it, you can install NetBeans. As for now, select next here, and just select this. I accept the terms and select next again. And as you can see, my Java IDK is already installed, and it's also recognize that IDE, recognize that JDK of Java. So I don't have to install it. Just click next here and just click install here again. As you can see, the preparing installation data is started. It will take 1 or 2 minutes depending on your PC. So you have to wait a little bit to completely install this NetBeans. So wait. Now, as you can see, my installation process is finished. Just click the finish option here, and you can see the NetBeans shortcut is also here. Just double click it here. It is opening for the first time, so it will take a few extra seconds. Just wait for it. Now, as you can see, this is their dashboard, the NetBeans dashboard, and this is their interface. So now you can start coding and making Java project on NetBeans. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.